Today on Wardle Street, we're at Omaha's completely redeveloped area known as Aksarben.
Welcome to World Street. Welcome to World Street.
Aksarben is an entertainment/business district in the central part of Omaha, near the University of Nebraska, Omaha. The area has a long history with horse racing, with a racing track built 101 years ago in 1920, and an arena that once held a Frank Sinatra concert. Along the creek below is the Keystone Bike Trail. From Midtown Crossing, Aksarben can be reached by bike by taking the Field Club Trail to the South Omaha Trail, and finally to the Keystone Trail. Also, Bus 15 goes from downtown through Midtown Crossing and to Aksarben. The old horse racing track and Aksarben Arena have long been replaced, and now Aksarben is more like a second, smaller downtown for the city. One of the landmarks for the Aksarben neighborhood is the tower below. The highest building in Aksarben is the headquarters of HDR. A food court lies on the east side of HDR.
Lunch at Inner Rail at Aksarben. On the south end of Aksarben is Baxter Arena, home to the University of Nebraska Omaha's volleyball, basketball, and ice hockey teams. The brand new baseball and softball fields are also in this area. Stinson Park is the main gathering spot. It has a seating area and a playground. And on many Saturday nights during the summer months, this place becomes a very lively place with outdoor concerts.
If you know how Aksarben got its name, leave a comment below.
In upcoming videos, we will check out the University of Nebraska Omaha with Memorial Park, as well as the downtown area. Also, a trip to South Dakota is coming up. Thank you to our recent subscribers, and we would love you to hit the subscribe button too. I hope you enjoyed Omaha's Aksarben neighborhood. See you next time on World Street.